Someone told it long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so we say, it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wouldn't know. Have you ever seen the rain? I wouldn't know. Have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I left a good job in the city, working for a man every night and day, and I never lost 1 minute of sleep and worry about